Hey friends, and welcome to today's talk about the RT-PCR, which is short for reverse transcription PCR. We apply reverse transcription PCR when we have an RNA fragment, and we want to transform it into DNA so that we can amplify it to sequence it. For example, in the COVID-19 coronavirus testing, we use reverse transcription PCR to test patients and determine if they are infected. If we repeat several different cycles, we can generate multiple fragments of DNA out of just one template. We also need DNTPS for synthesis, and for the PCR part, we need the DNA polymerase enzyme. In a nutshell, reverse transcription PCR synthesizes DNA out of RNA, allowing us to generate enough DNA to sequence the genome.